Today, we will learn how to deal with the thread ends. First, turn the crochet swatch upside down. We threaded the thread into the needle. You can fold it like this. Thrust its sharp corners through the needle. The thread is hidden on the reverse side of the crochet swatch. Stir up the two wires on the reverse side to hide the thread. The front is invisible. Continue to pick up the two threads on the back. The thread must be hidden in this tight place. In this way, the subline is not easy to come out. Keep threading. We can pick a few more times. At this level, the lines can be disconnected. If you are not sure, you can pick it back. We pick up one thread first. Then pick up two threads back. Pick back several times. The purpose of pulling back, just let this thread create a tension. This way, it's less likely to come apart. Then just cut it off. If you want to use both front and back, could be hidden on this edge. Folding the yarn in the same way, and form a small pointed angle, penetrating needle. We can hide the thread in a circular way. Pick up a thread and pass it through. We can simply hide the line like this. Finally, just cut it off. In this way, we have finished dealing with the thread ends. The whole crochet swatch is very refreshing. You can also try it yourself.